Be a graphic designer and make money online now. No background? Don't worry, I got your back. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Agnes, and today I'm going to teach you on how to become a graphic designer even without a background. Now, before that, let me explain to you why graphic designing. Well, as you know, there are a lot of YouTubers right now who need somebody to do their thumbnails, and also there are a lot of online businesses right now who have FB pages, website, and all that needs marketing campaigns, graphic designs for their businesses. And today I'm going to teach you on how to use this very easy to navigate tool that will help you create awesome designs. What is this? This is Canva. Let's get started. Okay, so let's now begin our tutorial on how to create a design using Canva. So the first thing that we want to do is go to canva.com, and then you want to create your account. So you just sign up with your Google, Facebook, or with your email account. So once you decide to sign up with your email, you just type in your name, your email address, and your password, and then you will be directed to this home page. Now in this home page, you will see home, all your designs, templates, photos, apps, brand kit, design school, and more. Now let's discuss this one first. So if you click on all your designs, you will be able to see all the designs that you have created. Just like this one, I have created all the designs for my YouTube thumbnail and many more. Now if you click on templates, you will be directed to the available templates that you can use for your design. So you can browse it by category. Let's say for instance you want to do Facebook posts, you can click on Facebook posts, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, and a lot more. Now if you want to click on photos, you will be able to see the available photos that you can use for your design. So we have free photos and we also have paid photos that you can use. But don't worry guys, there are a lot of free photos that you can use. You just have to look for it. And so right here, if you see, if you want to click on apps, you will be able to find the Canva. You will be able to find the Canva for your work apps like HubSpot, Platform, Bitmoji, Embed, and many more. Now, if you want to click on brand kit, you will be able to. You will be directed to this page wherein you can design your logo or brand logos. Now, if you want to click on Design School, if you want to know more about Canva, you just click right here, go right here, and then you will be able to see a lot of courses that you can use to be more knowledgeable on how to use Canva. Alright? Now, this time, let's create our design using Canva. Now, you just simply click create, or maybe you just go to home page, and then let's look for the design that we want to make. Okay, so maybe this time you want to make a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, let's try this one. You just click that one, and then you choose the templates that you want to use. Okay, why not try this one? And you will be directed to this page. Okay, this is the editor. This is where you can design, collaborate, share, and publish your work. And right here, this is what we call menu bar. This is where you can change the title of your design. Let's say for instance, my first design. Or maybe if you want to save manually your design, so you just click on file and you just click on save. But don't worry guys, Canva automatically save as you work. Okay, now for this one, these are the tabs that, let me just adjust this one. Now these are the tabs that you can use for your design or to customize your design. So if you click on templates, this is where you see all the templates available for you that you can use for your design. Or you just have to choose which one works best for you. Okay, so this is what we call side panel, by the way. All right. So for the side panel, this is where you see all the templates, the images, photos, illustrations, icons, and elements. Now if you click on photos, okay, this is where you see all the photos. Okay, let me just adjust this one, okay, just for a moment. Now if you click on photos, this is where you see all the photos that you can use, trending photos, and many more. Now for the elements, this is where you see all the elements that you can use, guys. You can use the grids, the frames, the GIFs, and many more. The charts for your presentation. Also for the text, if you click on this text tab, this is where you make a customization for your text. Like if you want to change the color, you want to change this black text right here to this color, or if you want to change the font size, you just click on the text tab, or you want to change the font style. Okay, this is where you are going to do it, guys. Now if you want to add videos to your design, guys, you just click on the video tab, and right here there are a lot of videos that you can use. These are awesome videos that will make your design stunning. So say for instance we want to change this one to a video, you just drag and drop that one, okay, and there you have it. You already have a video. Okay, now for the background, this is where you change your background. So if you don't like your the background that you're using right now, you can just simply drag and drop the backgrounds available right here. Maybe if you want to change this one to this one, just click on that. Simply a drag and drop works. Okay, that's just how easy it is here in Canva, guys. Now if you want to click on uploads, these are the photos that you have uploaded from your computer, or if you want to upload image or video, you just simply click on upload an image right here or video, and then you will be able to upload the photos or the videos that you want to use for your design. Alright, now so let's try making our own design right now using all those tabs. Alright, now let's go right here. So I don't like this video and I want to change this video, guys. Okay, and I want to change it with, let's say this one. Okay, that's just how easy it is, guys. And for the background, you have seen how I changed it. So maybe since this is brown, maybe we can use another color. Oh, by the way, guys, if you choose on the color that you're going to use for your design, please consider using color psychology, okay? Now for this one, let's try. Alright, so let's just try that one. Okay, I know that is not awesome yet, but I know you are creative and you can make or you can improve this design. Okay, this is just for an illustration purposes. Okay, for this text right here, this is something that we wanna customize because the color is not good for our background. So let's try to edit that one, and maybe we'll try to make it in black color. Okay, now guys, if you want to change this text, there are a lot of texts right here that you can use. Okay, that you don't have to manually go right here and change the font style and the sizes. So you just click on that and then you adjust this one. This is just too big. Okay, let's just adjust this one. Okay. Oh, by the way, I want to delete this one, this text, and replace this one right here. Now, I don't like this one. I don't think I need this. So I just want to click on that and click on delete on my keyboard. And this one too. Okay, cheers. Alright, so white is not good, I think, for this design. Let's try making it with another color, so maybe red. Okay, you just can play around right here, guys. Okay, so it depends upon with your taste and creativity. Okay, so what else that you want to know? If you want to add some GIF, say for instance this one. Okay, let's try to add some GIF. Oh, this one is too big again, and we will just adjust this GIF. Okay, just simply do like that, and then if you will make a mistake, just press on Control V. Okay, you can just easily undo it, or maybe you can also just click this one to undo your action. Okay, and we will place this one to here and this one to here. Okay, so that's just how easy it is, guys. This is just a matter of dragging and dropping those elements that you want to use. Okay, so let's try to play this video. See how beautiful it is, guys. So that's it, guys. That's just how you make a design. So once done, guys, Canva will just automatically save your work. Or if you want to share this one to your member, guys, so as I've said earlier, that you can easily collaborate on this page. So you just click on share. You just remove my face right here. Okay, maybe we can just click right here. Okay, you can simply share your designs with your team members. You just type in their email address. Okay, you just type in your email address, and then you click on send invites. Or if you wanna download your work, you can easily click download for that. Or maybe you wanna share the link of your design to your friends or client. Okay, just copy the link and send it to them. Or maybe you wanna publish or you wanna share your design to your Facebook page. You just click on Facebook page or Twitter. Or if you wanna share this graphic design to your client, you can also use email to send this to them. Alright, so that's just how easy it is to use Canva, guys. Alright, so that's it. That is Canva, and now that you know how to use this tool to make awesome graphic designs, you are now ready to make money out from this skill. Alright, now how? Let me introduce to you FIVERR. FIVERR is an online marketplace wherein you can post your gigs or services. If you want to know more about FIVERR, then watch out for my next video, because I'm going to show you how to use this tool and post your first service. So that's it, guys. Now if you have questions, please feel free to write a comment below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe, and click the